All right, Algebra 2, EOC practice test number 1. Simplify the expression 2 minus 3i times 4 plus 2i. All right, so we're multiplying two binomials. So we're going to start by doing 2 times 4, which is 8. And then 2 times 2i is 4i. And then negative 3i times 4 is negative 12i. And then negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 2 is 6. I times I is I squared. All right, now if you remember doing imaginary numbers, I squared is negative 1. All right, so we're going to combine the middle terms here. So we're going to have 4i minus 12i. So that's going to be negative 8i. And then we've got negative 6. And I squared is negative 1. So we're going to multiply negative 6 times negative 1 to get positive 6. So we're going to have 8 minus 8i plus 6. And then if I combined 8 and 6, those are like terms, I have 14 minus 8i. So for number 1, the correct answer is D, 14 minus 8i.